Hey, what's up, guys? This is Loxu, aka Disabled Meme Page, and I'm gonna be telling you guys how to make some money on Instagram. And I'm also gonna be doing 1,000 follower giveaway, which basically I'll just promote you till you gain 1,000 followers. So watch till the end to figure out how you can enter into the giveaway. The first thing you need to do is have an Instagram page with like 20,000 followers. And if you guys don't have that, I'll show you guys how to do that in this video. So you guys just want to start following like 800 people that are all over 100,000, and then go to your feed and refresh. And whenever one of them posts, you can try to get first comment saying you're like the fastest acceptor and stuff. And I'll leave an auto acceptor so you guys can do that in the description. It's free. It doesn't hack you and stuff. It's legit. I use it. And make your page private so they can like request to follow you and it will accept it, because it doesn't work on public. And also, when you guys get to 5,000 followers, by doing that, I'd start DMing other meme pages your size to do post for post and SFS, which post for post is basically all those ads that you see on meme pages, but you post that for someone and they post it for you, then you guys both gain followers. And I'd say do this till when you just do this forever. Don't do it to a certain amount of followers. I would, if you're gonna do it to a certain amount, do it to like 125,000, because that's when you can start growing by people just sending your memes instead of having to bait people to follow you. And then once you have your 20,000 followers, put in your bio DM me for business /promos, which basically people will DM you to post an ad for them, and they will pay you money through PayPal. But when they pay you through PayPal, make sure they send to friends and family so they can't scam you by charging back after you've posted the ad. And how much you guys are going to charge people is usually per 1,000 views. I charge like $1, so if you're averaging like 5,000 views a video, charge like $5. But if you're getting like 10,000, I would charge 15, because usually per 10,000 views, the person gains 1,000 followers, which I think $15 for 1,000 followers is a fair price. And people also want to buy captions and story shoutouts off of you, which for captions, I would just charge like, if you're like 20,000, I'd charge like 50 cents a cap, so people could buy in bulk and you could just post a whole bunch of memes with their cap. And for stories, I would just charge like $3. That way it's not going to be your main source of income on Instagram. If you guys want to make a lot more than what you're getting from people just DMing you, download this app or this app. To use these apps, you guys need like 20,000 followers, so that's why I made you guys grow your page to 20,000 followers. Basically, these apps just pay you to get downloads for their apps. So you will post a video of the app and say link in bio to download, and you will post the download link in your bio, which you have like a special download link so they can track it, and you'll get like a notification when someone like signs up or like downloads the app. And you guys can't just cash out every download. You guys have to cash out when you have like a certain amount of money built up. Like usually it's like $20 to $50, which isn't too bad, because if you have 20,000, you should be able to get like $20 in like 3 days. You guys don't just need Instagram to use these apps. You guys can use like other platforms that you have followers on. Like I know there's this girl on TikTok that makes like $2,000 a day just promoting the apps. It's insane how much money you can make from these apps. This way of making money on Instagram is kind of sketchy because you can get scammed really easily, but basically with your page, you grow other pages and then you sell them to people that want to buy them. So like I would grow a backup by putting it in my bio saying follow this to be accepted, and people would follow it so they could get accepted. And I would usually sell them around 5K. And I would get around $50 to $100 per account that I'd sell that would had like 5K. And if you grow them to like 10,000, you can get like hundreds of dollars for them. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you guys out making some money on Instagram. And if you guys want to enter that giveaway, like this video, subscribe to me, and comment your Instagram username. Alright, I'm out. See ya.
Enemy in the compound.